Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix 100% usage of your CPU, AMD CPU. So in order to fix it, you can try to configuring UMA frame buffer size. So based on AMD.com, you can reboot or restart the PC and enter the system BIOS. So for example, if you have Asus, you can go to UEFI Asus BIOS. So in the BIOS, you can locate the UMA frame buffer size setting, usually found in the advanced menu section. Then you can use the mouse or assign key to increase or decrease the size predefined increments. So once the desired UMA frame buffer size value has been set, save change before exiting the BIOS. Then the PC will reboot with new setting applied. Here, talk about setting or size value. Please leave it on auto mode. Here, the UMA frame buffer size when set to auto or default setting allow the system manage the amount of shared memory for your graphics. Here, for example, this is from ASRock UEFI BIOS. UMA frame buffer size, just leave it on auto. After that, you can restart your PC and try the difference. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the text button below. See you in the next video.